Hi everybody and welcome back to GobbleUp. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy dish called Italian stir-fried vegetables. So let's begin our recipe. So I've taken a kadai into which I've taken a little bit of butter along with about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. I always use butter and oil together. If you want, you can make the entire thing in butter. Let it heat. You can see it sizzling in the pan. Once it's hot, add some garlic, chopped garlic. So I've taken about 5-6 cloves of garlic which I chopped. Mix it up with the oil and butter. You don't have to brown it too much, just for the flavor. Now add some broccoli. So I've taken half a broccoli which I chopped into florets and washed it and put it, along with 1 bowl of red, green and yellow bell peppers or capsicum. Now add 1 chopped onion, give it a mix, along with some mushrooms. So 1 bowl of mushrooms chopped, 1 chopped tomato. Oh, the colors look so nice, don't they? White, green, orange, red. Don't they look very appetizing? Now salt to taste. Just give it a mix. It has the minimum amount of spices. There's hardly anything. So I covered it up a little so that the broccoli and the carrot becomes a little soft. Once it's soft, add about 200 grams of fresh paneer, 2 teaspoons of oregano and 2 teaspoons of red chilli flakes. Give it a nice stir. And now for some creamy texture, I've added a little bit of mozzarella cheese. So I've taken about 2 to 2.5 teaspoons of mozzarella cheese. Of course, if you're making it for kids and stuff and you want to add more cheese, you're welcome to do that. And just cover it up for about a minute or so till the cheese melts. Now you can see that the vegetables are also beginning to leave some water, and it's becoming nice and creamy to look at. And basically that's the way your recipe is. It's over. Take it out in a bowl. And I've taken a slice of cheese which I've just roughly chopped, and I'm just roughly just broken it up actually, and just place it on the hot vegetable, and just for it to melt a little, just cover it up with a lid for about a minute. So because of the heat of the vegetable, it's going to become nice and creamy. Doesn't it look yummy? And that's your dish.